I have a dream. I have a dream that one day we can all live in peace in the car community. Fuck boys and car enthusiasts, builders and drag racers, and show cars and street cars can all live happily in one place without the common enemy of the police officer. I have a dream for a safe place for all sorts of shenanigans and fuckboyery, street racing and drag racing, and having the best dang car shows in all the world. I have a dream that I will create this safe place, a safe haven for car folk all across the world. And that place will be Sinclair Speedway. Now I have a dream, acres on acres out there, in an undisclosed location as of now, paved flat, so that we, the car boys, can do whatever we want without risking getting detained by the police officers. My dream of Sinclair Speedway, I want to become a reality. And I need your help for that. If you are tired of going to the crazy car meets and getting busted, you gotta support this. I'm trying to make some place where there will be no cop interference. You can do your donuts, burnouts, street racing, drag racing, everything safe and for a $5 charge. Right now I'm looking at some land out there in Waller, Texas, kind of a little bit farther, but land is kind of expensive, if you know what I mean. And to make it drivable, after we get the land, we're gonna have to pave it. So let me just tell you my dream. My dream is a road off the highway that goes on for a little bit, so we don't butt up against the highway. But then it opens into this beautiful flat piece of asphalt where there will be a man standing at the gate charging $5 admission per car and making everyone sign a waiver that whatever happens on the property stays on the property, and we're not liable for any broken things or broken people that wind up on the property. Donuts are going on the right side. We're having a nice park and chill meet on the left side. And in the future, I want to be able to create a drag strip like Royal Purple, because Royal Purple is about an hour and a half like west in Baytown, never east in Baytown. So I feel like having this kind of thing close to where we live, close to kind of the core of the car community, and like Memorial and Katy and Cypress and all that, like it's not that far. I feel like that would do really good for everyone, and they wouldn't have to have all these separate little meets going popping up in these really sketchy parts of town where people could get hurt. And people I've seen to get hurt. I've seen people have car crashes to where people hit and run. I've seen people get hit. People start fighting. Like, these places are pretty dangerous, and if it's not in like a well-monitored place, then the only other people that are going to stop you is going to be the cops. And when they stop you, you're not going to like that. But if you're doing it on a safe place, you've signed a waiver, there's no cops, you don't have to worry about anything. It's going to be big enough to where you can do whatever you want, and you won't really have to worry about anyone getting hit or anyone getting mad or anything like that, because it's in like a safe, controlled environment. And also, in the future, I want to have bays like set up on one side. I'll draw a picture for you in a second. I want to have like car bays to where people can rent them out and have lifts to work on your own car, because I know for a fact I have a little jack and I do most of the work on my car myself. But if I could go somewhere, pay X amount of dollars per hour, have a full functioning lift system, you could get stuff done way faster. You could put on an exhaust, you could take off an exhaust, you could do an oil change for yourself so much faster and cheaper than if you would have to go down to the local like auto shop or something like that. My dream, I want to support all car people no matter what they're into motorcycles, trucks, anything. We could have a mud pit for the trucks for all I care. I just want to have some place where everyone can come together, enjoy themselves, do your shenanigans, or just have a chill car meet and be safe and not have to worry about the cops. That's probably the main thing here. Now, I know there's a lot of regulations and everything that we have to go through, probably sound, probably like, I don't know if people like can't watch this happen, I don't know, but it would be on private property, so I would be the owner, and it'd be most definitely legal in my eyes that you could do whatever the heck you wanted. So I'm just thinking about how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna throw up a GoFundMe in the link in the description. If you are somebody that goes to these meets and doesn't like getting busted and does like doing donuts or seeing people do donuts, I would highly recommend you support this movement, because this is going to be insane. If we can actually get this rolling, it'll be like no other thing ever in the whole wide world. No one has this yet, and I feel like it'd be great for the car community. Okay, here's a rough sketch of it. If you can see that, you got the bays over here, then you got the drag strip stuff kind of right here with the grandstands on either side. Then you got the skid area, the donuts, and then kind of like the park and chill area down here off of a main highway. We'll say Mexico City, Mexico, so you can go out and do your street racing if you didn't want to do your drag racing right there. So that's kind of what the idea is. I don't know how much this is going to cost, or if we're even going to be able to get this rolling, because I know I can't do it by myself. We have the full support of Cars Across Texas, MDH Photography, and the photo booth. My whole squad supports this, and we're coming together and trying to make this a thing for y'all. So if y'all want this to become a reality, a safe place to have car meets anytime, literally anyone can host any kind of car meet there any time of the day, do silly things, or just call out somebody and drag race them for cheaper than anywhere else in the whole state. Make this happen. Donate to the GoFundMe. I'm gonna put it at 100,000. I don't know if it'll cost that much, but just in case we get mad support, I know we'll be able to spend 100,000 on some land and pavement and bays and everything. So all this money will go towards this if we do get any money. Just letting you know, I'm not gonna pocket it and run like some people. But yeah, I really want to make this a thing. For the lack of I forgot, Drew wanted to do a restaurant as well, so put a restaurant in here somewhere called the Dig Spot, and it'd be like an American food place, and then right out back, Dig Spot, baby. So yeah, that's the dream. That's the dream. Right now it is November 8th 2018 at 12:24 p.m. I'm letting you know my dream of owning this, for lack of a better name right now, Sinclair Speedway. So hopefully you can follow up with me and support me on this. I'll keep you updated if anything becomes of it. I'm looking for land right now. If anyone has anything they want to add, any things I need to think about before I do this, leave a comment, because this is a dream. I literally don't know any of the logistical things or legal things about this. So yeah, am I crazy? Is this a great idea? Will you support me? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and hopefully I'll see you at Sinclair Speedway. Thanks for watching.